Hey guys, Brendan here with Utah Digital Marketing Experts. We got Preston with us. We're just getting ready to install some of the new Google Analytics 4 on a website, on a WordPress website. So we thought, hey, now would be a good opportunity to just get some content for anybody that doesn't really know how to do that. Pretty easy to do, but a little explainer video to help you do that on a WordPress website. So I'm gonna just
Yeah,
go ahead.
yeah, we're creating this video. It is April 19th, 2023. If you're not aware, Google has upgraded their analytics platform. They're providing a bunch of new features, some kind of more in-depth analytics, which is awesome for any business of any level. So, this new analytics, Google Analytics 4, is launched. It's live. Google is going to stop supporting the old analytics platform, the Universal Analytics platform, come July 1, 2023. So, now's a good time to go ahead and convert your analytics accounts to the new Analytics 4.
Yeah. Yeah, and if you already have analytics, you actually can do like a conversion from your Universal Analytics to Analytics 4. So you can have that data seamlessly flow to the new analytics. So
Keep your
well,
old history.
right, so all your old history is still shown. So what we're gonna do is just create up a new account though. This is a website that doesn't really have analytics right now. So we're gonna just right. We have a bunch of clients in here in this analytics account. This is our general business analytics account. So after we add it in here, we're gonna add the business to the analytics. So as you saw, I was in this Google Analytics area, just here to show you where I went. So I'm just in here and I went down to the admin because right here we have these other analytics accounts in here. So I got to come in here and just create a new account. So this is actually a vape shop. So we're going to put the name of the vape shop in here. Um, this is just what kind of data you're going to share with Google and what stuff um, you want them to see. So there's not a Utah time. We just click Boise time. This is small business. Google just likes to have this information about what type of business this is, what your objectives are, just ask you, generate leads, drive online sales, raise brand awareness, examine user behavior, get baseline reports. But with this, it's more like a local business, but generate leads. Who doesn't want leads? So raise brand awareness. You can definitely click multiple options except for that bottom one, but we're not doing online sales. So right here you get this thing that pops up. It's kind of funny because you'll have to you can click here, but that's not good enough. Oh, I guess it is now. So web. Sorry, I'm moving fast here. So you have some options of iOS app, Android app, or web. So this is going to be web. This is going to be Lightspeed Vapors website. So it already has the HTTPS in there. So I just paste that right there. I just name it the stream name, company name. Let's have multiple streams in here, for one business, but so create the stream. So this is really what you need right here is you need this this pops up instructions. You can install this manually, but a lot of times we have this program that we use in WordPress that I'm going to show you that we really like a lot to help with SEO. Just makes things a lot easier to work with your SEO. So I don't know if did you already install? Oh, you did right here, Rank Math. So there's a bunch of SEO plugins, SEO Ultimate. In fact, there's another one that actually Google recommends you use to add their analytics into the website. Um, Google Sitekit. So you could use this if you already have like a SEO plugin that you already like or that you use. But we use one called Rank Math that's it's really nice. Helps with your SEO. I don't know. We'll probably come back and do like a tutorial of Rank Math later. Because there's kind of a lot to it, and you know, they have a lot of ability in here. So but for now we're gonna focus on analytics. So in Rank Math though, after you got the plugin installed, I just went to analytics here, settings, right? So see how this says install analytics code? So yeah, this just popped up because we already have it associated. It will ask you for your account login. It's already associating it. These are all the companies that we have in that general analytics account of ours. And so this is the GA4, and I clicked on install analytics code. So I didn't even really have to copy this. This is what you would copy though. This is what the ID that you'll need. But in Rank Math, if you're logged in, if you just disconnect and reconnect, it'll ask you for your username and password here, and then you'll authorize it what it can have access to, and then once you authorize it, then this stuff will automatically start populating. I clicked install code, so this is going to implement that code right onto your WordPress site, and then you're really ready to rock and roll. Really, this is set up. This will send you, if you set up your Rank Math correctly, it's down here at the bottom, it'll send you SEO reports periodically if you set this up. I turn this off because we actually, as a SEO company, we provide reports from a different source. It's a little bit better and more comprehensive reports. These are pretty general, pretty simple reports. So I usually just turn that off. We're going to provide other reports anyways, but this is an option if you download and install the Rank Math. They do have a free version in Rank Math that you can install and go through. Again, we'll probably do a video here soon about all the details of Rank Math, but this one's mostly just supposed to be about analytics and how to get that going. But so I'm just going to save this here. Then what I'll do is I'll just go to the website front end. So I'm here, and what I'm going to just do is go back to Lightspeed Vapor. I'm going to go to reports, and I'm going to go to real time. Just make sure it's tracking. This will pop up here in a second. We'll see the number 1 pop up because we got 1 user here. I'll probably just refresh, make sure it takes probably maybe 30 seconds, maybe a little bit less for this to pop up and show that it's tracking. So pretty easy. You can go through, if you're not familiar with analytics here, you can go through and look at like demographics, like where they're searching from by country, narrow that down. Let me go back to this real time here. Yep, we got our 1 user here, that's us. So it took just a 15 seconds, 30 seconds for him to pop up here, but that just confirms to you that it's set up correctly, everything's working. So you're good, you're tracking now. You got Google Analytics installed, and we got it. We're gonna have a good understanding of how many people are reaching your website. So that's it for this video. Pretty short, but I think there's useful information if you're looking to install the new Google Analytics for your website, your WordPress website. So thanks guys, we'll talk soon.